Happy New Year's, everyone. Welcome to John's Lifestyle Adventure. Today we're not going to go camping. However, we are going to go and visit and have a little cookout by this hidden gem in Nederland, Colorado. Now's the fun part. Prepping and taking everything with us. 2, 3, go.
That's not the easy part.
No?
Nope.
This is the worst part about camping, huh?
It's heavy.
It's prepping.
Ow.
All right. Oh.
Ow.
That was pretty intense.
Yep.
Good job, bro.
Yeah.
All right, Tanky boy. You're the last one on. Up. That's a good boy. All right, Tank did not have enough space, so we had to readjust everything. All right, boy. Come. Go. Come. Up. There you go. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see this well or not, but we are just about to head into what's called Boulder Canyon. This is a beautiful canyon out here in Boulder, Colorado. Look what we found, guys. Kind of bumpy here. The closer we get to this remote area, the bumpier the road gets. Woohoo!
Hello.
Whoa, guys! Whoa! All right, here's a big one. Oh! All right, guys, we're almost at our campsite. The only tricky part is that this downhill right here. Hold on tight. You ready? You're scared? Why?
I want more.
It's okay. I think we're almost there. That was easy. You see? Oh.
Oh my god. Ay, no. No. Ah, Jay! Ah, Jay! Oh my god! Ah!
Oh. You guys scared or what?
Oh my god! Go!
All right. We made it. We made it, Tanky boy. All right, guys, one thing I forgot is probably the most important thing is an axe. So we're going to see how we get some firewood here. I'm 240 pounds. I don't think I'm going to be breaking that. All right, so we have to find a dry spot for our firewood so it doesn't get wet here in the snow or in the grass. I think we might have found something here. Start piling up firewood there. Just look how beautiful it is here, guys. It's our little secret camp spot. And the best part about it is it was free. We didn't have to pay. All right, enough talking. Now let's get some more firewood here. We gotta go ahead and take this snow here so that easy fire. Good thing is we got a little bit of sand or dirt, whatever's under there. All right, guys, now it's time to start our fire. Need isopropyl alcohol, napkin, cotton ball, Let's see how good these things here do. I haven't used them before. Get back. Now the fire's on, but one thing about isopropyl alcohol is that you cannot see. You cannot see it unless it's dark. I think we're going to move the fire a little bit this way. All right, we're going on a little hike here.
Yeah.
Our boy Tanky and
Me!
Owen. Look at how beautiful that is up there.
Wow. Ooh.
We are trying to locate the local creek. However, I forgot my fishing pole. So we won't be fishing today. Sorry, guys. Come on, boy. Just look at how beautiful this is here. Hello? Hello?
Woo! Echo.
Tell you what, we lucked out over here. It's a beautiful day, even though there's snow. 45. It's a gorgeous day. So, these are my dog's tracks. This, I don't know what that is. If I were to guess, probably like a little snow fox. All right, guys. Got a little fire up. Hey, you guys hungry?
Yes.
You hungry?
Yes.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Almost bust my butt. One thing you guys would have laughed about, I just bust my butt over there on that one, on that tree. And I gave myself a little battle scar there. Not sure if you guys can see that. Although those Yeti coolers really maintain your stuff either very good insulated, either cold and hot, we're going to find another way, nature's way, on how to refrigerate these cellas. Just like that. Oh, those aren't for you, bud. Those are not for you. Those are not for you, bud. All right, come back in about half an hour. Should be all nice and cold for us. Alrighty, it's time to build a little stove over here. Go ahead and put that right there. There we go. That should hold it off nice and should get nice and hot for us, so that we make our lunch. Okay, you want to eat? The little snow angels? All right. Meat is all done here. Put in the container. You want to try a little piece, Ange? Yeah. Hey, careful, top. What do you think? Hold on. Try it.
It's yummy.
What do you think? Good? Let's give it a little tester here. Wow. That is delicious, guys. All right. Warm up these tortillas.
Yes, yummy. I too, yes.
Like tortillas?
Yes.
Yummy.
Yes.
Side's a little burnt here, but doesn't matter. All right, our tortillas almost burned after we started cleaning the water here, so let's go ahead and put them away so they stay nice and warm in some tin foil. Our pup loves the outdoors, right, Tank? Let's see. Go get it, boy. That's a good boy.
Sorry.
All right. Put our pop here in nature's cooler. All right. Wonder where did we leave our beers? Oh, I think I found one. And another. Nice and cold. Oh, now here comes for the good part. Campfire tacos. Got some red onion, cilantro, some lime, and we got some homemade sauce over here that my wife made. This stuff is delicious. I can't speak with my mouth full. Bad habits.
Good.
The best. There's fewer things better than campfire tacos. Tacos, Angie.
This is taco. This.
Try it. Like it? Got some quesadillas here, campfire quesadillas. Look at that. Nice and melted. And cooking some chicken for Tanky Boy. That's going to be his dinner.
Esa es la mía. Así que en México también cuando buscan la carne asada.
Look at that cool rainbow.
Yeah.
How's that? Our first rainbow of the year. Hey, Tanky Boy, are you hungry? Huh?
Hungry.
Let's see if his chicken is ready. I put it in this aluminum foil here on these coils so that it will cook thoroughly. It was cooking uneven earlier because it's so cold out.
Angelina, ven, me agarró mi teléfono.
Whew. It is Steven. Look at that, Tanky Boy. You're gonna have a delicious chicken breast for dinner. All right, so about 5 minutes later. Sit. Good boy. Lay down. That's a good boy. Go.
Hi, baby.
Is that good? Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I really apologize. I was supposed to show some fishing scenes. However, I forgot my fishing rod. I was somewhat unprepared for this one. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great New Year's. Goodbye.
Bye.